Hey y'all, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you guys how I did this flawless no baby hair install using our Sasha HD frontal wig. So let's get straight into it. So Sasha is our HD 13x6 highlighted frontal unit. I'll include the link in the description just in case you would like to purchase the same unit. So the ball cap and the skin prep was done off camera, and before you place the wig on your client, make sure you adjust the straps in the back for a snug fit. Once you have the wig lined up in front of the hairline, have your client hold the sides so you can part out the ear tabs. Avoid cutting the exact measurements. You can always go back and cut off any extra lace. Cut the lace on both sides at the temple area. This will allow the centerpiece to lay as flat as possible. Now grab some setting powder and a right tooth comb, and then what we'll do is mark the guideline. This will help you when applying your adhesive. You'll know not to go over these marks. Now I'm applying my first layer of Bold Hold Active Adhesive. Make sure you are spreading the glue out evenly. Once the glue dries clear, pull the lace into the glue starting from the middle section. Make sure you use your comb and press the lace into the glue. The cool setting, make sure you blow dry the glue into the lace before applying your melt pen. Before sitting there underneath the dryer, I'm going in with some Nairobi foam to mold the hair. Now it's time to cut off the lace, so either grab you some scissors or eyebrow razors, whichever you feel comfortable with. Remember to cut in a zigzag motion. If not, the lace will be easy to detect and it'll leave a very harsh straight line. You do not want that. So now I'm going to go back and glue down any areas that I missed. I like to squeeze a dab of glue on the back of my hand and then apply the glue using the end of the rat tooth comb. This will help prevent applying too much glue and you'll just have more control over the glue. Now I'm using my cream foundation and tapping any areas that need it. The secret to a clean no baby hair install is making sure the hairline is clean and the hair is pushed back. Now I'm using my edge brush and Nairobi foam to clean up the hairline, so it just smooths everything back. Now grab your Fantasia holding spray to further melt the lace. And this will help blend everything in. So once you spray it, make sure you grab your melt band and tie that thing down. Now it's time to prep the hair for a silk press. Using a quarter size of bio silk and rubbing it throughout the hair. You do not want to use too much product on the hair or it will definitely look stringy. Blow dry the hair on high setting and try to get it as straight as possible. As I mentioned, this is the body wave, so it has like a few waves and curls, but you want to make sure you get it straight as possible. Okay, everything is looking good, nice and straight. So now grab your heat protectant and a good flat iron. Section the hair in small sections and chase it with the comb. clean, neat look, I recommend trimming the ends. Grab you some freeze spray and smooth down those flyaways. Let's define her part. So grab you an angled makeup brush as well as Ruby Kisses cream foundation. I'm using color 11. Just make sure whatever cream foundation you use is not darker than their complexion. Okay, so now this is the moment we've been waiting for. Yes, everything looks so flawless, y'all. This is no filter. So this is our makeup artist. She's responsible for all the beat downs, okay? So she's about to go be her face and come back. Yes, let's get into it. So let's do a quick zoom in. Zoom with lace. Okay. Thank you for watching, y'all. Like and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Bye.